Hey guys, and in today's video I'm painting Ravenclaw's badge from Harry Potter. This is part 2 from my series of 4 videos where in each video I paint a Harry Potter badge. Go check out the first one, Gryffindor badge. Let's get right into it. For the first step, using ultramarine blue to paint the 2 blue parts. Using Phalanx blue to paint the background of the bird. Silver for the silver leaves and the armor. Gold for the text saying Ravenclaw. Black for the base color of the bird. Yellow for the bird's beak and legs. And now it's time for me to show you the final result.